Yes, okay, good job. Presentation, the topic meeting preposition ya. Group 7, member group Muhammad Riyadi Alauddin, Sabrina Izzati Rahma, and then Muhammad Salam Al-Faras. Okay, would you please?
Okay, I will reading this PPT, Miss. Objective of the study. Number 1, to explain various preposition. A preposition is an important part of the English language. It is used to show a relationship between a noun or pronoun in a sentence and another word in the sentence. A preposition must always be followed by a noun or pronoun is a sentence. It can never be followed by a verb. Examples of preposition: there are 5 different types of preposition: simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, participial preposition, phrase preposition. Simple preposition are words like at, for, in, on, over, and under. This common preposition can be used to describe a location, time, or place. Simple preposition are words like at, for, in, of, on, over, and under. This common preposition can be used to describe a location, time, or place. Compound preposition or complex preposition consists of 2 or more words, usually a simple preposition and another word, to convey location. Some examples are in the addition to, on behalf of, and in the middle of. Participial preposition have endings as ed and ing. Examples are words such as considering, during, concerning, provided. Preposition or prepositional phrases include a preposition, an object, and the object's modifier. Example include process like on time, at home, before class, and on the floor. 2. To explain change of meaning when the preposition followed or processed by other parts of speech. Simple preposition, some examples of common preposition used in the sentence are: he sat on the chair. There is some milk in the fridge. She was hiding under the table. Double preposition. Some examples are into, open, onto, out of, from, within. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess. The baby climbed onto the table. It is up to us to find the answer. Compound preposition. Some examples are in addition to, on behalf of, and in the middle of, the, such, across, from, Mary. I attended the meeting on behalf of my company. We were in the middle of the storm. Participial preposition examples are words such as considering, during, concerning, provided. He is interested in anything concerning horses, he works one job during the day and another at night. The dog kept following him home. Preposition examples include process like on time, at home, before class, and on the floor. I will get to the conference on time. The baseball game was canceled after the heavy rain. Jones found his homework under the table. Introduction Mount Santa Helens. Mount Santa Helens, a volcano in the state of Washington in the United States, erupted on May 18, 62 people died due to the eruption. No one was surprised by the eruption of Mount Santa Helens. Scientists had been predicting that eruption was likely for almost 2 years before it happened. In March, a small eruption occurred, and in April, on-site on the mountain started to well and crack. The scientists issued warnings and asked people to clear the area. On May 18, the mountain exploded. Hot gas burst out, followed by hot ash, which ran down the mountain slopes, burning everything in this path. Cities and towns were covered with powder. The ash from the volcano was found as far as the Atlantic Ocean on the other side of the continent. The top of the mountain was blown away about square kilometers of land was destroyed, killing both animals and plants. Many thought it would take decades for the land to recover, but the return of life was remarkable. Today, the slopes and valley of Mount Santa Helens once again have abundant wildlife. Exercise 1. Mount Santa Helens erupted on May 2. Scientists had predicted that an eruption was likely, so no one was surprised by it. Number 3, on April, on one side of the mountain started to swell. Number 4, the explosion of hot gases was followed by hot ash. Number 5, cities were covered with ash from the mountain. Number six, as the ash of the mountain went as far as the Atlantic Ocean to the other side of the continent. Look at the card below showing natural disasters. Describe the disaster, including where it occurred and what happened due to the disaster. Volcanic eruption Krakatau, Indonesia, August, people died. Potato famine, Ireland, 1 million people died. Flood, Yellowstone, Pennsylvania, people died. Earthquake, Tangshan, China, July, people died. Tidal wave, Bangladesh, people died. Tornado, US, April, 3 billion people died. Fire, Yellowstone Park, US, 1 million. Exercise 2. A volcanic eruption occurred in Krakatau on Augustus. Due to the eruption, 36 people died. Potato famine afflicted Ireland on cause of death. 1 million people died. Earthquake happened in Tengson, China on July 28, and the effect people died. Tidal wave afflicted Bangladesh due to the wave 200 people died. Tornado occurred in US on April, result in 30 people died. Fair average Yellowstone Park as on due to the fair 1.3 million. Next, Riyadi.
Yes, thank you. Slide 6, exercise 2. Exercise 2. A volcanic eruption occurred in Krakatau on Agustus 2000. Two grammar prepositions. Slide 7. Two grammar prepositions. Prepositions are not only used to show time, place, and region, but are also used in combination with verbs, adjectives, nouns, and in many common set experience. All prepositions cannot be listed in this chapter, but it will present the important groups. Number 1, verbs and prepositions depend on lead 2. Number 2, adjective, participle, prepositions, suppressed at famous for. Number 3, noun, prepositions, example of possibility of. Number 4, other combination with prepositions as a result of possibility of. Number 5, preposition of time and place on May 16 in
Number 5, bukan
Oh.
number 5.
Number
5.
number 5. Number 5.
Yes.
Yes. Number 5, prepositions of time and place on May 16 in Washington. 6 prepositions in common expressions at present in general. Slide 8. Strategy. Since the use of prepositions and their roles can be very confusing for many learners of English. It is best to learn as many prepositions as possible in combination with other words. Error on the exam may include the wrong prepositions being used or a preposition being made where it ought not to be. 1. Verb prepositions account for contribute to insist on plan on believe in depend on lead to really on. belong to the touch from obtained from result in fat or confined to overcome by withdrawal for. Next, exercise 3. Number 1, the destructive phenomena of mountain St. Helens were not confined to volcanic debris. Number 2, valuable chemical products are obtained from volcanic substance, including gold and silver. Number 3, the 1980 San Francisco earthquake showed in in 1950 deaths and massive property damage. Number 4, on growing season after another without rain quickly led by starvation in many parts of the world. Number 5, disease can sometimes be overcome by advance in modern medicine. Number 6, since the risk depend on lead to their potato crop for food. The potato fermentate the devastating result. Number 7, farming ethics contributes to the Dust Bowl as much as weather conditions. Number 8, when there is famine in country, the people must really on the goodwill of other country provide them with the food they need. Next, 2 adjective article prepositions. Accustomed to, different from, necessary for, responsible for. Next, afraid of, expert at, cautious to, successful in. Next, based on, free from, responsible for, surprised at. Next, compared to, common for, related to, typical of. Next, exercise 4. Number 1, the 1080 Mountain St. Helens eruption ranks low compared to other volcanic eruptions. Number 2, some people think it is necessary for forest fire to happen occasionally so that new threats will grow. Number 3, typical of American enterprise, driving contact industry developed in marketing the ash from Mountain St. Helens. Number 4, volcanic ash in the atmosphere is responsible for billion red sunsets and sunrise. Number five, the Earth looks very different from the way it looked millions of years ago. Number 6, gas, the tip of gas ejected from a volcanic eruption is lighted by the volcano and the tip of eruptions. Number 7, countries whose economy is entirely based on agriculture suffers most when a crop fails. Number 8, people were surprised at the amount of destruction the eruptions of Mountain St. Helens causes. The next, Salman.
Okay. 3. Known proposition example of possibility of. Number the first cause of, danger of, effect on. Next, equivalent of, evidence of, example of, interest in. Next, influence on, that for, possibility of, reason for. Next, result of, use of, solution to, supply of. Next slide. Exercise 5. Number 1. Mount St. Helens explode in eruption with the energy equivalent of 10 million tons of TNT. Number 2. With the ever-growing need for power, volcanoes and their byproduct are of increasing value. Number 3, to the scientists, volcano provide first-hand evidence of the composition of the Earth. Number 4, an example of an island that consists entirely of volcanic material is Iceland. Number 5, Iceland, Italy, New Zealand, and the state of California make practical use of volcanic steam. Number 6, the El Chichon eruption in Mexico had the great effect to the world. Number 7, in recent years, the grade of Vesuvius has been sealed off to lessen danger of another explosion. Number 8, plague and famine can be result of social problem with a community. Next slide.
Everyone, saya close kamera dulu ya, karena di jalan saya menuju kampus Unkris. Ya, saya naik motor, jadi tetap saya pakai headset. Jadi close kamera dulu ya, saya handphonenya di tas.
Baik.
Oke, thank you. Saya nggak naik mobil, saya naik motor, jadi ya. Yuk.
Be careful.
Oke, thank you.
Oke, dilanjut. According in view of some reports, the effect of the tsunami from Krakatau was felt miles away. 2. In addition, in the process, of seismograph field measure the formation of the surface before volcanic activity. Number 3, the loss in terms by means of individual trees after the Mount Santa Helens eruption come to 6 million. Number 4, airplanes and trains were affected because as a consequence of poor visibility after the eruption. Number 5, in view because of their devastating result of the Mount Santa Helens eruption. Number 6, 35 people died as a result on the basis of the Mount Santa Helens eruption. Number 7, in spite of the death and direction volcanoes cause, they benefit the land in many ways. Number 8, prior in terms of the eruption, food village was observed on on one side of Mount Santa Helens. Next slide. Exercise 7. Number 1. Mount Santa Helens had last erupted here in 180 15.7. Number 2, Mount Santa Helens exploded at about on Sunday. Number 3, the eruption was in May 18. Number 4, in the summer of the water in the United States was affected by volcanic activity. Number 5, Mount Santa Helens is in the state of Washington. Number 6, the volcano Paricutin in the Mexico erupted in 109.14.3. Number 7, before the eruption, Mount Santa Helens was in one of the most beautiful as